Here I'm going to share Asos.com promo code you can use right now and get amazing discount. So watch this video till end. So here I'm going to share 4 fresh promo code for Asos.com where you will get amazing discount. Before that, how you can use it, simply add this coupon code on a checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So here is a 4 fresh Asos promo code you can use right now and get amazing discount. Simply I'm going to share a promo code which caption which you can simply use and add this in checkout page and get discount. And if you want more videos like this, simply check out my videos. I created lots of videos regarding coupon code and promo code, and if you want any further promo code related videos, simply comment down below. So here is a for fresh asos.com promo code you can use right now. So here we go.